Pete,
Tom, what's going on?
great to see you, buddy.
Good to see you.
So I know how busy you are this time of year, getting ready to start shipping again. But when I started thinking of the concept, and fine wine is one of the most sacred things to me. It's something that I enjoy passionately, and I wanted to build a relationship with the best group. And for me, there was no question that it was IWM. I think one of the best points of differentiation that my insiders have is the opportunity to work with you all, and as the co-founder of the company, as the president and the guy who really runs the sales team, for my insiders to be able to have you as their portfolio manager, I think is a very, very unique opportunity. So why don't we start just from the beginning of, what is a portfolio manager? What is that service that you provide?
Well, first of all, it's my pleasure. I appreciate that you feel that way about our company. I mean, we go out of our way, Sergio and I, to make sure that, we do make a difference in people's, let's say, wine life. We want to help them make their investments worthwhile. And in that regard, we have portfolio managers who really get to know who the client is and what does Tom need in his cellar. What is his goals, and how are we going to get there? You got to remember, most people that come into the wine get into the business of wine trying to, well, let's say in their own cellar, trying to build cellars and put that together. They don't really know much about it. There's a few people that do, others don't, and we're there to help guide them from conception. What are they thinking about? What is their idea? We try to get them to focus, but maybe they have to take a step back and think about what it is they really want to do.
So this service is not simply for the very serious collector, which it certainly is, but you work with a lot of people who are just getting started. This isn't something where someone needs to feel that they're only buying $200 and $300 and $400 bottles.
No, right. It could be anyone. You could be. We have people that have started with us who just had the wherewithal to invest a little bit in wine, and they just wanted to get the right things, the right stuff. So they would, whether they're going to spend $5,000 a year or whether they're going to spend $50,000 a year or $500,000 a year, we work the same service for you. So you just have to get the right information.
So tell me about the Investor Club offers that we're getting, that we're going to start posting on our site, and what are those? Are those only the very, very high-end bottles, or are there some things that are under $100 as well?
Yeah, there's there's wine that runs, I'd say, in the Investor Club from somewhere about $60, $70 a bottle up until whatever.
Right.
And really what that is our ability to locate and purchase wines that we think they're highly allocated wines, and for the most part, even the lesser priced ones, because it's just in Italy, there's just not enough made. So what we do is we make the deals through our buying power, and of course the producers really want the wine in our hands because they like our client base. But we make special purchases for it, and we pass that along to our top percentages of our clients to have the opportunity to buy in at special rates.
And that percentage is literally less than 2% of your total client base, correct?
Yeah, it's around 2.
So this is a very, I think for our insiders to get access to this right away is a remarkable opportunity for them.
Yeah.
And how long would you say those bottles are available at that price? It's a matter of days, isn't it?
Yeah, it could be 2-3 days, it could be 2-3 hours.
Right.
Depends really what the wine is. So it goes beyond just the price, it's the availability of the wine. You have the opportunity to purchase it.
And while your focus is primarily Italy, particularly in the last 2 years, you've really gone into Bordeaux, the Rhone, Champagne, Burgundy, now in California as well. So you're really looking at a global fine wine market.
Yeah, I mean, over the years, our clients have asked us to source other wines for them because they like to work with us, we were just waiting to put the right players in motion so that we can go ahead and do that, and now we do that, and it's working out really well.
Why is it so important for people to work with IWM as compared to, let's say, the other fine wine shops around the country? What is your point of differentiation?
I mean, we're really serious about what we do. I mean, let's face it, we're not brain surgeons, but we have a good time at what we do, but we recognize that it's a serious investment, and we know that you have to really listen to the client, and then you have to really make sure that you can give the right advice and the right consultation so that it gets done well. Now, in most other shops, they don't really spend the time individually like we do. They have a plan that they need to do. You know, they have a plan of attack. We have these wines, we have to sell, we have to move these. That's not what we do. We say, okay, what
They're
do we
retailers,
do
right? And you get a retail mentality in a retail shop. Now, while there are other fine wine operations, what I would say is that they don't make the process as fun as you all do. Right? There are some people that are so dry, that are so uptight, that they literally remove all of the joy of the wine transaction. And first and foremost, wine should provide joy and happiness. It should be shared. It should provide some levity. And there's a hedonistic quality that I think they absolutely extract from the process, where it's almost painful to deal with these guys. They're so uptight. And I think that's one of the great things about what you all do, is that you really get to know the clients, you have fun with the clients, they become your friends. You know, we're going to shoot the dining experience here later, but I think what you guys do is so predicated upon the provenance of the product, but also on building the quality of relationships that you do. And I think that's really your tremendous point.
I think you said it well. I mean, it's really the relationships that we build. The clients that I've had, that I personally have, I've had for many years, and we get together a lot. You know, we go to a lot of concerts. That's a big thing with us these days. And of course we talk about wine, but wine, music, it all goes together. And I like to bring it all in as part of life. We've always said this should be part of life is wine. Whether you're drinking a $10, $20 bottle, or you're drinking a $200 bottle, as long as it's good. And that's what our job is, to make sure that it's all good.
Right.
So and I think we have that type of inventory.
Perfect. So I have one final point for you while I'm sitting here with Perry. I've done the bird dogging. I've spent 20 years in this business. I know the different operators around the country. This is the best group. And what I've given you is access to the guy who found the company, who runs the sales team. This will be your portfolio manager. If you are buying anywhere else, you are making a mistake. You are either losing money, you are buying product that we can't be sure of the quality, and I assure you that you will never have as much fun in buying wine as you will working with Perry. So do yourself a favor. This is why you're an insider. This is why you trust me, is to find the people that are the best, and I'm delivering you to Perry. Call Perry, build a relationship, get buying, get storing the wine, and have more fun than you've ever had buying wine before. Do yourself that favor. Thanks.